This one is sum number 4 from 7.2. It is quite bit tough, so please observe properly whatever I will say and whatever I will mark it up here. Try to understand. Okay. What is the sum here? It is given I is the incenter of triangle ABC. Incenter means the center of the incircle. Now AI, if I will join both of them and if I will extend that, it will intersect the circumcircle of triangle ABC at the point P. I am repeating once more. Two circles are there, incircle and circumcircle of the triangle ABC. I is the incenter, join AI, and if you will extend that, extended AI intersects the circumcircle of triangle ABC at the point P. We have to prove that BP equals to PC equals to PI. Now, how will I do? One construction is here, I and C both will be joined. Now I will start the proof part. First, observe this triangle properly. Triangle AIC. If I will take this triangle, we can say that this one is the exterior angle. See properly once. Take triangle AIC. So we can say angle PIC is exterior angle of the triangle. So that means triangle AIC with respect to that one, with respect to triangle AIC, angle PIC is exterior angle. Therefore, we can say angle PIC equals to angle IAC plus angle ACI. We know that exterior angle of a triangle is sum of the opposite coincident angles, means these two, this one and this one. So angle PIC equals to angle IAC plus angle ICA, sum of these two angles. Now one more thing I will say. Since I is the incenter, do you know that in case of incenter, that one is the angle bisector? Because just try to memorize how have you drawn in circle. First you have drawn the angle bisector, then you have joined all of them. So this one is the angle bisector. Why? Because I is the incenter. That is the reason. So if this is the angle bisector, we can say that angle ICA is angle C by 2, means the whole one is angle C. Angle C means not this one, just this one. Okay, I am writing here angle ACB. I think it is better. So IAC, so this one is also half of the whole angle. It is also an angle bisector because whenever I will draw in center, I have to draw angle bisector. So this one is angle BAC by 2. In place of angle IAC, I am writing it down, angle BAC by 2 plus ACI. ACI means this one, so it will be angle ACB by 2. Okay, now keep both of them as it is. So this angle I have done. Now I will do the same thing with this. That means angle PCI. We can say angle PCI equals to angle PCB plus angle BCI. If you will split this one plus this one. Okay, so PCB plus angle BCI. Now one more thing you will observe. If I will take this angle PCB, means this one PCB lying on the arc PB here. If you will observe properly this one PCB lying on the arc PB. One more angle is there, that is angle PAB, this one. It is also lying on the arc PB. So PAB lying on the arc PB. PCB also lying on the arc PB. So both of them are equal. If you can understand this one, try to understand. Okay, these two angles are equal. So if I will write here angle PCB means angle BAP. Sorry. Plus, what is the angle here? BCI. BCI, this one is also angle bisector. That means we can say BCI means angle BCA by 2. Just like the previous one, BCI is the angle means IC is the angle bisector. So angle BCI is just half of angle BCA. Both of them are equal. That's why, because it is angle bisector. Now BAP, that means this part. So it is also angle bisector of angle BAC. That means we can write angle BAC by 2 plus angle BCA by 2. Both of them are same. The right part is same. So we can write the left part is also same. Therefore, angle PIC equals to angle PCI. So PIC means this one, PCI means this one, the whole. Both are same. If the corresponding opposite angles are same, that means this corresponding opposite sides will be also same. That means PI equals to PC. Now similarly we can show that PB equals to PI. This one you can write it down similarly. Similarly PB equals to PI, and if we will join both of them, that will be PI equals to PB equals to PC. Please try to understand. If you will go through the steps properly, I think you can understand this one. I am repeating once more from the beginning. I is the in center here. So whenever there is some in center, that means that is the IC. If I will join that, it is the angle bisector. So IC and IA both are angle bisectors. That means these two are equal, these two are equal. Now we have to prove that PI equals to PC equals to PB. So our first objective is that we will prove PI equals to PC. Before that I have to prove what? I have to prove these two angles are equal. So I am starting from this angle. So if I will observe properly, this is the exterior angle with respect to this triangle, means IAC. So we can say that angle PIC means this exterior angle is the sum of angle IAC plus angle ICA. Now angle IAC, IA is the angle bisector since this one is in circle. So we can say that angle IAC is the half of angle BAC, means the whole one. Similarly we can say angle ICA, this one is also the half of the whole angle, means angle ACB. Up to this one done. Now we will apply the same thing on this angle, means angle PCI. Now split the whole angle in two parts. First one, the smaller angle, angle PCB. Now angle PCB and angle PAB, PCB, PAB, both are lying on the same arc PB. So these two are equal. Since these two are equal and this is the half of the whole, so we also can say this one is also angle BAC by 2 plus angle BCI. BCI means this one. So it is also the half of the whole angle, means angle BCA by 2. Since the right parts are same, the left part will be also same. And if in one triangle two corresponding opposite angles are equal, so we can say the corresponding opposite sides are also equal. That means PI equals to PC. Now similarly, if you will join this one also, you will get that PB equals to PI. So join both of them, you will get PI equals to PB equals to PC. It is better if you will write in construction part both of them. I comma C are joined, means write down like this. I, B are joined, both of them, and joined also. Because if I will say similarly, I have to show this one also. Now go through this properly and try to understand.